Pique Patrol, the Kanfa, you know, 2 and a half a Yamati phone. Number 1 country, Venezuela, 81.2, which means I was ropa.
Just a bonnet.
I was raw. Papua New Guinea, maybe is such a Maluku matter for sure. Honor.
Baby, you're going woman.
Also 79.7. Shasha Mali. Afghanistan, and so 78.3. Haiti, I'm on China, yes, you were earthquake, and so I'm cry. I feel bad. The Otosu FIFA, Bibi Mama, no kind of no. Yeah, South Africa, and the minimum near crime rate was high power, 75.4. Samsung Honduras, and so 73.4. Trinidad and
that screen is so summary. Join us on Facebook right now. You can also have a look at a chat here. DJ Stanzi Atuneboa say Eken Kaimu Bako Amaye. And join here on Facebook, Max FM 89.7 and Max TV. Max FM 89.7 and Max TV. DJ Stanzi Bajo to us, man.
And Trinidad and Tobago, I know born and say almost can be 70.8. Almost also 7. 8 Syria, 69.1. 9 Yemen. Oti Yemen and yes, ma fancy Yemen, crew Yemen. Almost also a young crown. About number 10th and Athena, Jamaica, Ital. Almost 68.1 crime rate percent in a war. Peru, so 67.8. And Guyana, and I said Guyana, and also 67.3. Angola, a baby memo say Africa, the countries in the Wumpa. Angola, so 66.5. Omo Nigeria, also 68.6. Sorry, 66.2.
Hey, Nigeria won't be.
Nigeria won't 66.2. Oko Brazil, Omo 15, 65.6. Somalia, Omo there. Because some pesa pirates near man call so near the other no mu distance and so near the other very very pound diabolic can stubborn and almost will be Samson Bolivia also no etoso Argentina etoso 18 Namibia etoso 19th Mozambique etoso 20th Cameroon 21 Ecuador so 22 Puerto Rico 23 and Bangladesh 24. Last but not the least 25. El Salvador. Yeah.
And it's in
Roma 25. We know the highest crime rate in the whole Kumama. And you know, you can you live on Facebook, so and YouTube, YouTube so called Max FM, Max TV Ghana. Our YouTuber.
So today we actually streaming live on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes. And for Mr. Mamon Fanche, Oko YouTuber. No one search Max TV Ghana. Max TV Ghana. We are streaming live there. Inti obetimi akokaya ho ewo honum samri. DJ Sanzi
yanko aye o my your friend no United Kingdom UK. Eho ena nansia Daily Mail mu ena womode eye news bi buy na yekohwa na video bi a chese maame bi a owo ne mpani fi so kakra around 40 ho oye alatani a your friend no na eye Belikisu Olajungu Belikisu sorry dini Belikisu Olajungu chese oye we wo ho home care service provider award UK na ya de akokra bi man se won hwe no so na akokra no timi se wabre pa ya bo no se ye papa no ne ye nanan mu ye abrofu yo munyi ko akiri sa na ya na wo mo ya ho te kakra sometimes so yare ni to muntimi nye hwe papa utimi se ya bo no pampers ni ade ya diapers ni ade na mami nya botren hwe ma papa ina ka wontimi nya ne kakra wa hwe no mami so papa mu fi akum no atwe na sifam tawen wo so papa mu no ato na fa ha wo so papa mu cheso papa no hu wie se onya botre ma no tina ase no wo twe papa eto ase atena kunwa mu
wa twe papa no to ase atena
akunwa num efifam o
I see
no atwe na en da infoni na da so video na da so chese papa yo yare dementia na omo try ye man handling na eye mami ede ma handle papa no enti wo mo de no eko eye police station na police for befa no say mami ndia wo ye de ni amon say because papa no yare nmu ye de mom de no ko hospital no mo chire mu a be 10 days na papa ehwere ne nkwa papa no hwere ne nkwa na akoye case e wo ntino ye sentence mami no akọ jail a wo kwa akodam for some months na afi no wi a ya san deport no e de na back to Nikrom papa wo 88 years na wo ye ne sade see ana ya man 18 months so okwa akoye adwuma mako 50 hours
or a caregiver na
yeah sana make a home care service ibia enti okoye adwuma mako 50 hours for free ama UK aban no wo wi nso anache say ya man 18 months a wonye adwuma bia wo UK hobiem aha tinu sa ena ewo na papa na friend Mr. Attard
all right DJ Sanzi Mr. Attard ya ni say the
yeah
na mama fine kaibo we ntwem we are getting a lot of feedback say omoko Facebook the usual place no
yeah
omunhuye omako Max TV Ghana so omunhuye mama correction way
okay
it's being streamed on Max FM Ghana
Max FM Ghana
good Max FM Ghana our YouTube
okay
yes it's here for Mr. Mo we dey mo fan chaye na YouTube hona mo no monko Max FM Ghana Max FM Ghana now say that's the platform most of our streams no so say best say be mamu Max FM Ghana
yeah.
Max FM Ghana inti yeti for papi bi mon share nso maye okoso anu subscribe is a new page
yeah
na time bia no o subscribe o like o share na o comment here nina so be kama inti Max FM Ghana that's why we are streaming live right now.
Thank you very much at once.
You're welcome DJ Stan.
All right enti yanko yanim na Kofi Kofi wa na ya na yese ye bibi kleptomania unim kleptomania
oh minim omo nsa ha omo no
yeah aya no mo pese omo mfa en qualify ade bi na sa de se be ma na yanka so ye kleptomania ene say oko adenta snit flat
yeah
ho na bayo bi a yesusu se wokura adenta snit flat edan wo nyina room key spare minim so oye juma o key manufacturing company dia
wow
and I say flat for ni fie no mko adwuma no oye special inspection
no akoshawa ye ne dia
yeah oye inspection na nia obenya bia no away tambo ne bo wode ko entino propose say sa ba yo away wo ma time na cha say obehu say wan na ya otai be for minimum be bokro no ne ade wo adenta snit flat o ma ya ko fi ehu na penifo ka o ma sem say every day for thief one day
for the master
what they are say na we na dakro abayo anya nitire nidim na yakopon apa ne so ntoma na ya chi no
wow
sebi ekrofo say wo susu say wo no na ya wo bebo sa akro na wo chi no no na okura keys bebre won ho ti wo hwa abayo nice lady
anti amanfo ni fia
on no wasi on say we yes I also no yonko ba be so no ma wo dress me be man ka ya bono kwatre kwa bobo no but obande yes no
into all keys bebre
special minimum so head no special office bi na special prosecutor
into amanfo ko edwuma
no asi o machi
no wako dem akwose so mo nyoma
form nyoma
oh na oba besia so de brawe wan fa wan kochim na ye
wa da ne shopping mall special shopping mall
she's a nice lady too
yeah we do you lucky ya fa yan san keka no na ye de na ma oppose for say ye nyenye hwehwe mu na afi no ye hu dia ekoso also yeah
our adenta
snit flat yeah
James Nevan area
wha
oh they're so sad me red crowd ho
nice lady enough body ya mpeni bia
it's here for Embra Max FM Ghana
yeah
Max FM Ghana Max FM Ghana oba Max FM Ghana wo YouTuber na wa subscribe jumedi samre It's being streamed live there, Max FM Ghana. And now what became Busiana what Max FM Ghana ono.
And Kofi say about say sanity there one yard there. Said nice lady sana. And Kofi new mufia now there. Our boy now all shop ho. Na all this has to buy in Nantia. And trade
Emwa.
And see anybody actually. You be free police for us. Baby, you fan come your tea for near for. But my family last story my tea for.
All right, DJ Sanzi.
Brante, King Paluta. Echo UK or that's all UK. I will show. Now over the weekend, Okobo all white party be. Now when Paluta performing
yeah.
Na Lady Bia, your child as a ninja. Paluta performance and send your hono.
Yeah.
And I know it is also making gestures be just a Paluta and just on penny baby. Nah, and call ye mamma, where dear and call ye mamma.
Other Paluta yere.
Or say according to a Paluta performance and a boring to her. Then in Jeep Paluta.
In the Paluta and Yanonere.
On your nose.
Oh,
when a branty so a one or so. And then some day, what to be my mom and the past say,
okay, can't I
in the week time. Somebody be why to me, but a be all there, and then you to me, I can say the week time, Sabin, no one yefe. You know, catch them at me. And I just a month for so Paluta way there.
Yeah,
1 year there, or Bomodin, the 8 or no more simple. Or best to buy 1 year, needs to buy 1 year there. Now, impose Mamia Casa. I don't know, ultimately didn't attempt that.
Yeah.
Because we're 2 years so barber show. And I mean, so me shame one, I make us a coffee. Sometimes when I can't be you, I will say you who say artist no so no. I will say nipa.
Yeah.
What do I say? Do what you are now, barber show no. Say, pick bet me the video now at why.
Oh, by intimate sound.
Sound
in some no kind.
Yeah, sound the but
yeah.
It's nipa. Etimi ebejana nim say perform mama when inje ho just go and sit down or sit you somewhere and then do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
Or before for ban when inje ho what will say what do I say?
I agree with you. You know, certain people not even outside social media and kasa.
Yeah.
Oh, they feel they have the right to say anything they want to you because you see, but Paluta no baby I miss me di yaw kakra ne say. You see, you're a public figure. You could have walked out on stage.
You were nipa 2 types.
There are so many ways you could have reacted.
You were nipa 2 types
than to use those words. Yeah.
You were nipa 2 types okay, me narrow number a year entertainment industry.
Yeah.
You were nipa 2 types nipa to say blacko.
Yeah.
And I nipa to say Paluta.
Yeah.
In this sense.
Yeah.
Nipa blacko. You better nso free stage no so nipa num abobo na no aka che say oto and to be ma menko to be ma promoter no so.
Oh sir.
Yeah. Ono no the way I handle ne dia no. Just last week
Takrade. Yeah. Nadley Chrome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Near to nso eba no so stage because you try we delay performance.
Wow.
1 month but meanwhile na bia na back a case be a never back door.
Yeah.
Mo na mo nim. Iti ya tutu nsuo ne ba no. Want to be a mo ndi o matem na mo say se mo tutu nsuo ne bi abo me a mo ntu bi mbo organizers no.
Yeah.
Wa kan asem no ho. E na ye obi nso te say Paluta ono ne de no. O kan e be hye no no a react e wo ho ato ansana. Wale nso ye that type ni bi. Obe react wo ho.
Inti uno se Paluta wa nyebone.
Me there to me ebia asem ba ku bi okan na me ne atemdie ba ku bi na me ne nya adwen. But say ono so like ne retaliation to it in there. Oye nipa in the heat of the moment, you know, anything can happen.
Yeah.
Provided say on anything harmful bia na say one cause anything damaging bia there insult there. To me it's okay, but some words be used in a men and yeah.
DJ Stanzi made us say papa na around the world the cosui there is a text about a console so na me bomode na makai Wait free is a new texter. The text that. I said, Mr. Koda, good evening. This is Christelle from Oyarifa.
Nice name.
Listening to you live. This is my first time sending text, but I like listening to you. My greetings to DJ Stanzi. Christelle, thank you very much for sending this text message and welcome to the family. I send it. Na me found baby girls no. Say Christelle Abekau. Christelle Abekau.
You say baby girls be 5.
Hey baby, and the crama Araba. Araba, how are you? Your be 20 baby girls.
Oh, okay.
And I'm no class prefect. Nadley. DJ says
you know. Na me kai for say Max Mega Cash. Lucky box promo.
Yeah.
And I saw my senior made around the world a bread.
Fantastic.
A year Ghana for you.
And one is me.
No.
Walking signboard.
Yeah.
Walking signboard. And one star 426.
Because you are
star 426 star 8 hash. Omwana breed DJ Sanzi betu kwanya.
Yeah.
Obetu kwanya akwa Brazil akwa story aba. Nina ye Max Mega Cash,
Lucky
star
box.
426,
star
8 hash. And one of them was star 426,
star 8 hash. Catch a quality as a meeting and catch it.
Oh, you're better than
quality.
I see about teaser to see a better than and now we are no choose lucky box nibi na Sikabia that's no. When you crack. I said, what is it? Star 426 star 8 hash no. When we say hot day.
And one thing
star 426 star 8 hash. And Raminya kakra.
And then Miss in the Menya Kakra.
Intimuna Mubenya kakra. DJ says, may I say, it's time for us to celebrate birthdays. Now, wait a minute, shall from me. I'm sorry, listen to what? But my boss kakra. And then Mr. Ansa birthday, and then so Angela birthday, and then Auntie Ann birthday, and a trustee. Omuna ya sorry ma Makabu Maya Bako, ICGC Covenant Temple, July bonds. Mr. Ansa Angela Auntie Ann and trustee, happy birthday to you from the entire Max Drive team and from myself, Mr. Koda to you. Nyame Enshiramo Sasuna Mr. Opening Kwesi Budu. Mr. Opening Kwesi Budu. PK, if the picture is ready here and can open display, mommy, yes. This is coming from DJ Stanzi to Opening Kwesi Budu. I say, Budu and Budu. I me born a brofon style. Budu. And I'm saying Budu. Budu. Opening Kwesi Budu. Budu. Edino sani etibia opening Mr. Wa. Nyame enshira no nyo kesiye. DJ Stanzi say always show a glorious happy birthday. Sasuna Patrick Mensah Nate Jr. He's the son of business Mugwa, a friend of Patrick Mensah Nate, and a boy, nice handsome gentleman, Patrick Mensah Nate Jr. Patrick Mensah Nate Jr., son of a business mogul, Patrick Mensah Nate. Happy birthday to you. Also coming from a DJ Stanzi to you. Wase nyame nshira no nyo kesiye. Na sene ye wo fie abrebia no, ye bebo happy birthday nyum na mamo. Na Beatrice so wo ba ko bi wa ha mamenkan ema no. Bi me kan wo de na ma wate. I say I want to use this opportunity to wish my supervisor, Madame Olivia Gisisu, a glorious